Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me Alexa and this is an unboxing. Now let's see, these are boots. One pair Thaha boots and the other pair Carrie Bradshaw golden boots. Of course they look good in pictures, but who knows what they look like in real life, right? Now there's a lot of pillows here, like 1, 2, and a long one, 3. Ooh la 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 la. Let's start with the first pair. Now I cannot see which one is which, but it's gonna be a surprise. Let's start with this package and put the other aside. Are you seeing this? Nice color, even odd. And this is, honestly, I cannot tell which one it is, if it's the golden boots, Carrie Bradshaw boots, or if it's the padded Thaha boots, but we're gonna see right now. So this is what the package looks like on all sides. It's a German brand apparently. Now let's see. Oh yeah, I know what it is. It's the padded Thaha boots. Ooh, looking nicey. There they are. They look hot, honestly. And by hot, I'm not talking sexy. Well, of course they're very sexy, but I'm talking like winter hot. Like Eskimo thigh boots hot. Size 41, if you can see, and that means that is size 8 in US. I really like the padded idea, honestly. I saw them and I got to get them. Zipper works good. And we have those little toe protectors, or what do you call them? What do you call them? Ooh, there's a lot of paper in here, like so. I think they're going to be really comfortable. They're not too high. Now let's see, just for fun. Oh, the heel is beautiful. It's sort of shiny and it's plastic, obviously, but it looks good. Now let's see, the heel is 11, which is good. 13, 14, 15 is pushing it. 11 I can live with, and I don't have to strain my feet. That's the first shoe, and now let's look at the other one. God, so much paper, and we're supposed to, be environmentally friendly, right? Or at least conscious about this. Yeah, not that much. This is the other one. Oh my, I really like the padded idea, you guys. I'm feeling it. Of course, I am gonna have to try them on to see if it's a hit or miss. Yep, so far so good. I really like them. I really am liking these padded Thaha boots with stiletto heel. And you can adjust. I don't think I will because my thighs are quite thick. But you can sort of adjust. Yeah, but I'm not gonna. Honestly, I like wide thigh-high boots, like almost pirate, like piratey wide thigh-high boots, like my sequin boots. They're really wide up here. And it gives them that 80s look, like very, very much scrunchy boots and very, very much Pretty Woman. Julia Roberts, Pretty Woman, when she was strutting down Sunset Boulevard in her black patent thigh-high boots, that wide, that's gorgeous. I love that. So these, honestly, these feel a little bit tight. I would rather if they would be wider, and then you can just sort of scrunch them down a bit. I really love that look. The wider up they are, the cooler, I would say. It gives them that street factor, like street walking, just like Julia Roberts did in the movie Pretty Woman. She was walking the streets. Because when the thigh boots are too tight, like, or slim up here, it gives the impression of stay ups or something like skin tight, and I don't like that. I like the boot feel, like the pirate boot feel, like really wide up here. So I'm gonna try them on and see. Right now I have the impression that they are tight and they're very thick, you guys. These are gonna be hot, and mind you, thigh-high boots are always hot, but these, oh, I don't know if I can wear them in the summertime, but we'll give them a try. They are synthetic all around, like everything, every part of this boot is synthetic. And the other thing why I really like this pattern, or this padded pattern, it's very Chanel. It's very much Chanel, so it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna love trying this on. And now let's unbox the other one, or the other pair. Even and Odd, quite a funny name. I really like that name for a brand, Even and Odd. So now let's check this other one. Dress Odd, Love Even. These ones are heavy, and compared to my sequin boots, these feel much more real. These are quite heavy, and I like that. It sort of gives me the impression that I bought something authentic. You know what I mean? And you can see right off the back, the golden boots. I would call them the Carrie Bradshaw boot, Sex and the City, season 3, episode 4, called Boy Girl, Boy Girl. At the end of that show, that episode, Carrie Bradshaw goes to a party with this guy, and She kisses Alanis Morissette. They play Spin the Bottle and they kiss, girl on girl action. And Carrie is, of course, wearing her fabulous golden boots. Similar to this scrunchy look, you know, they're not thigh-high boots, they're sort of knee-high, I would say. And it is very much Carrie Bradshaw. And Carrie is wearing with these boots with a skin-tight mini dress in a sort of pleather material. And she's wearing this white bomber jacket, and her hair is long and curly and flowy, and it's such a fabulous look. So ever since I saw that episode back in the 90s, I've been obsessed with golden Carrie Bradshaw boots. And here they are. Nothing real here, everything synthetic, top to bottom, inside and out. Size 41, if y'all can see. Oh, I am getting tired of that paper. Now, I may have to exchange these because I think size 40 or 7 would fit me good. But I kept thinking that 41 is more comfortable probably, but size 7 probably, or size 40 would probably look better, because they would be skinnier up here, the shoe would be a little less big, and overall they would be like smaller. And Carrie's boots were just perfect, and I want to look exactly like Carrie Bradshaw, Sex and the City, Season 3, Episode 4, Boy, Girl. She was wearing these boots. Not these, but very similar. They are lined with this neoprene material, which I think will be super hot. As in like hot summer night, not super hot as in hot look. There's so much paper here. This is the other one. Yeah, I cannot wait to try these on also for size, and I may need to exchange them if they feel a little bit too big. And the heel, let's check the heel, let's check it out. Yep, it's the same, it's 11 centimeters. It's perfect, I would say, it's perfect. It's still, you know, the hot, sexy stiletto heel, but it's not such a pain in the ass to walk in, you know, or dance in, or strut. They're perfect as far as I can tell. The zipper works beautiful. First impression, very happy. Nothing shocking in here, like lightweight or the overall cheap feeling, but they just feel like regular good shoes, not expensive. These were really cheap, I would say. Good price, but fabulous. So this was my unboxing of 2 pairs of heels, and I'm gonna try them on right now actually. Thanks for watching. Ciao.